Remove the two metal pins on the sides of the cartridge. The easiest way to remove them is to cut two small slots in the plastic next to each of them. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. The pins for both sides are the same. Separate the two halves, toner section and drum section. Press the drum axle pin out from the inside of the cartridge wall, and remove it. Press the axle out, just enough so you can grab it, with the flash cutting wire cutters. The drum hub on the opposite side is welded. Do not remove it. The drum dongle gear has a spring. Release the tail of the spring off the gear. Remove the drum. If you want to reuse the drum, in the description of the video, you'll find a video with more information on how to clean it. Remove the charge roller. Probably, it's not necessary to change the wiper blade. If you want to remove the wiper blade, remove the two screws. It may be difficult to remove. There is an adhesive that hold the blade in place. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade that is located next to the wiper blade. On the toner section, remove the two screws. Remove the end cap. Remove the magnetic roller, with its bushings. Be careful of the bushings, they are very fragile. Remove the two screws. Remove the doctor blade. Note the blade seal, a sticky substance that seal the cartridge. If you want to use the cartridge in your own printer, it's not necessary to install a seal. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. Do not breathe the toner dust. If possible, use a toner workstation. Getting all the old toner out is very important. The toner left in the cartridge is mostly waste toner. Clean the doctor blade with isopropyl alcohol. The doctor blade controls the amount of toner on the magnetic roller. The doctor blade must be perfectly straight. Gently clean the magnetic roller with a soft cloth. The magnetic roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Clean the charge roller with water. The charge roller places the initial charge on the drum, as well as erases the residual charge at the end of the cycle. Install the blade and two screws. Reinstall the charge roller. Lubricate the drum with toner, or the wiper blade may damage it. Reinstall the drum. Insert the metal axle pin. Turn the drum by hand several times, to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. Reinstall the spring. There is no fill hole in these cartridges, so it must be filled through the doctor blade slot. The low-yield cartridge takes 325 grams of toner. The high-yield cartridge takes 630 grams of toner. Make attention, not to damage this mylar sealing blade. Reinstall the doctor blade, and the 2 screws. If present, make sure the contact sprint is touching the blade. Install the magnetic roller, with its bushing, and the gear. The magnet inside the magnetic roller has a key. Turn the roller until the keyed end fits into the keyed slot in the end cap. This can be difficult to do. Install the end cap, and 2 screws. Place the 2 halves together. Insert the 2 pins. This cartridge has a chip in this position. Replace the chip, and use a bit of glue to fix the chip in position.